Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to quickly and easily connect your iPad to your Wi-Fi. Let's get started. First we go to Settings. Then on the left hand side look for Wi-Fi. Tap it. It's currently off, so let's just toggle that on. Now you'll see it starts searching for networks. This is a personal hotspot, ignore that. Other networks, these are the Wi-Fi networks and this is my one here. So I shall tap it and it's asking for the password. I'll type that in. I'll hit enter and look, there's a tick beside internet. That lets me know that I'm connected. Couple of options I can show you. We're connected to internet. If we press the I on the right hand side, we can choose whether we want the iPad to auto-join this Wi-Fi network automatically by toggling this on or off. And if you want to forget the network, simply tap this button here, forget Wi-Fi network, internet, forget. So I hope that's helped you out. Give the video a cheeky thumbs up if it's helped. Thanks for watching. Wish you a great day ahead.